In this video, I'll show you how you can add custom domain to Shopify. So firstly, we need to open domains settings in Shopify. So you can do it by going in settings. And from settings, you need to choose domains. And from here, you will see all your connected domains. If you don't have any domain connected, you will see only your default domain from Shopify. So this is your default domain. And to add your custom domain, you need to click on Connect Existing. You can also buy a new domain from here, but in this video I'll show you how you can add your existing domain. So in this field you need to paste your domain. So I have GoDaddy domain, so I'm gonna copy my GoDaddy domain, paste it here, then click next. And then we need to update our DNS records. So you have two options. You can try to connect them automatically, or you can do it manually. So if you click on this manual setup, you need to add those records to your GoDaddy. So the first one is txt, and this is the value. So if you open GoDaddy, you want to click on domain on the left side, and from domain settings, you need to click on DNS next to overview. And from here in DNS records, you need to add those records. So now you need to click on add a new record. And the first record is txt, and this is name and this is the value. So you can copy this value and choose txt and paste the value here. And you can also copy this name, this Shopify verification, and paste it in name, then click save. And now the first record is added. So you can see it here if you scroll over here. And now I need to click again on add a new record. And the second record is A. Name is this symbol and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy just the value. Type was A. This is the symbol and this is the value. Then click save. Now second record is added. Now you need to click on again to add new record, and the last record is CNAME. Name is www and this is the value. So again, copy the value, type, choose CNAME, name was www, and this is the value, then click save. Now when you have all three records, you can go back to Shopify and you need to click on I updated DNS records. Now it's going to check your records, and after a couple of minutes, you will see it's connected. So you can see DNS records are pointing to Shopify, and your domain is live in all regions globally. So if I try to open this domain in new window, it's working. The only thing is I don't have any store connected to my Shopify, but the domain is working, and this is how you can add your custom domain to Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.